What y'all eating, ladies?
Hello, everyone. Rice.
Well, I know you're eating rice, but what are you eating with the rice?
Pork. Rib ba to?
Okay, who cooked this morning?
Spy ribs.
I'm boiling.
Yeah. She boiled the spy ribs of pork, and
She's the one who.
I put. No, only I help Fatima to help.
Okay, so you boil the pork ribs, and then you made adobo?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got adobo pork ribs
Yeah,
here.
I put soy sauce.
A little soy sauce on there.
Yeah.
Soy sauce.
Now, Fatima, I don't think that box is going to make it, baby. My goodness.
Yeah, now she's very skinny.
I got comments about both you ladies. And Anita, I got several comments that said you've gained a little bit of weight since you've been in the village. That's what they said. Your face looks fuller. So that's good. You ladies are gaining weight because I like chubby. I like it chubby.
Yeah, let's eat, everyone.
All right, let's take a look at these ribs, baby. Let's take a look right here. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Now, folks, I got mine on loaf bread, but check that out. That's delicious. And then, of course, the ladies got theirs on the rice.
That's why I'm chubby. Because I eat rice.
So you're chubby because you eat too much rice?
Yeah, especially in province. Oh my gosh.
Always.
The weather is bad, like typhoid, it's cold there. Oh my god, I eat too much.
Well, you look beautiful. So does Fatima. Both you ladies look beautiful. I think we need to put like 2 or 3 more kilos on both of you ladies. That's what we got going on for tonight. A little forward planning, a little thinking ahead. You got the ribs in here. Little medley right there. So we got the crock pot going for tonight. That's already set, so dinner's already set. And then they just cooked the adobo this morning, so we split a pack of ribs. And that does look delicious right there. Alright folks, I gotta go eat, but I want to welcome y'all to today's video. I have no idea where the day is gonna take us, but the forecast is beer drinking. There's gonna be a lot of beer drinking, beautiful ladies, Filipinas, cooking, food. No 4th G's a gangster.
Very good.
Y'all see the stress I'm under here, my friends. What can I do? Listen, you think it's all fun and games living around 2 Filipinas? It's stressful. It's stressful to wake up to these beautiful ladies every morning, I'm telling you. But somebody's got to do it. Might as well be me. There you go right there. See if that'll focus in on that. Don't get jealous, my friends. Nah, it's okay to be jealous. It's okay to be jealous. Look at that pork rib. I'm gnawing to that thing right. I don't even know where to start on it. You want to buy what?
I want to buy another bed
Why?
because I want more peanut butter.
Okay. Want more peanut butter sandwich?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, Daddy. Where is this?
Good job. Okay, what's next? A,
What,
B,
Daddy?
C, D, E, F, G.
Look at this crew. What did you buy, baby?
You still have Coke?
Why?
I supposed to be to buy you Coke, and Maria said you have still Coke.
I got a little bit. It might be flat.
Oh.
Mommy, no, we buy too much shot, Mommy. It's only one, alright? Okay.
Oh, I'm so sleepy.
see why you would be. You slept all night.
Oh, Mommy, no, you don't sleep, Mommy. Like Daddy?
Yeah. I have to give you what?
Tuyo.
Show everybody. What is that, baby?
Tuyo! Dry fish!
Oh no, leave it outside. Leave it out here. Put it on the table right there.
Juice.
Don't take that inside, please. Thank you for your cooperation. Al Capone loves pizza. Who knew? I gave him a piece of that pizza for a snack and he is tearing it up. I mean, like a champion. I gave Al Capone a piece of that pizza crust. He went to town on it like a Filipino on a piece of tuyo.
This is yours. Maria will eat the vegetables.
I want to eat pizza.
Good job.
And you.